Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Makhumalo giving Musa Mseleku valid reasons to wait a bit with wife number 5, but he doesn't take it. Makhumalo stood her ground, offering Mseleku advice that did not sit well with him. Musa, known for his strong opinions and traditional views, appeared visibly uncomfortable with this new Thobile, who is no longer just a reserved and soft-spoken wife people have come to know. Instead, she's embracing her role as a businesswoman, making bold decisions, and asserting herself in ways that seem to challenge Mseleku's expectations. Viewers quickly took to social media to share their thoughts on the power shift. This is Makhumalo we have been waiting for. Confident, independent, and unshakable, one user wrote. Others, however, questioned whether this transformation might create a deeper rift between her and Mseleku. Musa's reaction did not go unnoticed either. While he has always supported his wife's ventures, there was a clear sense of discomfort at Makhumalo's confidently expressed her views. Some fans speculated that he is not entirely comfortable with the idea of one of his wives evolving beyond the role he envisioned for them. Musa is struggling to adjust because Makhumalo is no longer just a supportive wife. He is a leader in her own right. Another viewer pointed out, despite Mseleku's reservations, Makhumalo continues to prove that she is more than just a wife in a polygamous setup, particularly women who find themselves navigating similar challenges. Whether Mseleku will fully embrace this change remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, Makhumalo is still standing and she's not backing down. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.